Welcome to the MOTO Machines channel. In today's episode, you got 3 of the best, cheapest items money can buy for a pit bike. These are a very wise investment in my opinion. 1, they're going to help keep an accurate maintenance schedule. 2, they're going to help prevent long-term engine damage. And number 3, they're going to help prevent silly failures when out riding. And all for less than £15. £14.18 to be precise. These are so simple but very effective, and the best thing is anyone can fit them or use it. These are my first 3 priorities when I set up a pit bike. They're really cheap and they serve a really good purpose. Number 1 is an hour meter, so I can keep a good accurate-ish maintenance schedule going on. They're robust, they're waterproof. A 5-year-old could fit it, all for a bargain price of £5.28. This was the last one I purchased, and that's what I searched for. Well, a boat, but if you type in marine, they seem to come up cheaper than if you type in dirt bike. Number 2, a magnetic sump plug. They're a great addition just to help prevent iron filings getting around your engine and causing premature damage, basically shortening the lifespan of your engine. I was so surprised the first time I used one how many iron filings had actually got caught up on the magnet. It definitely done a good job. Highly recommended. Here's a good example. I'm just servicing my 190 beast now. And look at all those Chinese iron filings. Again, they cost peanuts, £4.95 for what that does. That's a bargain if you ask me. Basically, it serves a really good purpose. When it comes to pit bikes, this is essential. It will turn out to be your best purchase. It's going to help prevent silly little failures whilst out riding. Plus save time on maintenance and help peace of mind that nothing silly is going to fall off or, worse still, cause expensive damage to your bike. This is blue lock thread and that's £3.95. I wouldn't recommend using the red stuff. No. I will use it on anything that might have a tendency for coming loose, but mainly it's sprockets, rotors, the tappets, engine mount bolts and maybe a few more. There's quite a few things it's beneficial for anyway. And there you have it. They're the 3 cheapest and best things you can do for your pit bike in my personal opinion. Anyway, thank you for getting this far. You know I really appreciate having you here. If you've got something you want to add, then please leave it in the comment section below. I will always try to reply unless it's abuse. Zena, out of the way. I'm going to wish you all a really good day, and once again, thank you for watching the MOTO Machines channel. Remember, live it, love it, and rip it.